Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to go with the blueprint of the affiliate marketing strategy that you have to follow to go from $0 to $1,000 into $10,000 within 0 to 180 days and more. So we are going to talk about exact strategies to follow in different time periods. Now, just before starting, I would like to say that in the beginning, from the first starting 90 days that you're going to start, it's the hardest part on that, as we always know that starting is always hard. So the 90 days is the one period that you have to do the most hard work. You have to write articles, you have to learn how to promote your website, you have to learn how to set up your website, different ad networks, you have to create those Facebook groups, join Facebook groups, connect with them. So starting 90 days will be tedious or will take a lot of amount of time than you have to do in the other period of times. So but if you follow the blueprint as it is said, and within 90 days you do exactly what is said, after 90 days it will become easy, because you will start gaining some success. You will start getting $1,000 per month, and once you get $1,000 per month, it's easy. Going from $0 to $1,000 is what hard, but from you have gone to $1,000, then it is all required to apply different strategies, buy some backlinks and use some money to get some good traffic, and then it's easy. Also, you'll have a significant amount of content on your website, so you don't have to you don't have to spend much time on getting content. So after 90 days it gets very easy, but first 90 days would be hard because you have to learn many things within this period. You have to experience many things, but after that everything would be easy. So let's start with the blueprint. So the first 30 days, 0 to 30 days, first step would be to go to those courses, as we have said: niche and keywords research, selection, set up your website, WordPress website, go and buy hosting and domain from Bluehost. Join the different affiliate networks, Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, or whichever, Udemy, and find products based on your niche. Now within first 30 days, write at least 20 to 30 articles, anywhere between 20 to 30 articles under your niche with different keywords. You should focus 20 to 30 keywords ranking. Now also in this 30 days, promote your articles through various Facebook groups, as we have seen in the free traffic method. Join various Facebook group under your niche. Go to Reddit forums where they are talking about topics on your niche. Under Quora, answer the questions that are related to your niche and promote your articles while answering to this niche or helping in the Facebook group. Facebook group is one of the top gold method. You can see results instantly, and that too freely. So you should start promoting your content on these social media platforms, and Pinterest also is one of the great thing. You have to do some work in Pinterest because you have to create images with your post, and you have to link your post with the images. But Pinterest, if worked good, can get you at least 10,000 to 100,000 visitors per month, because there is a lot of people who work through Pinterest. A lot of traffic, people are driving only through Pinterest pins itself. Now after you write 5 to 10 articles and you have good amount of started getting some traffic, go and register to ad networks so that we can monetize even the people who don't convert on our affiliate networks. We can get some amount of money through those ad networks. One important thing that I would like to say is start collecting email ID from the visitors of your website, because as we know, under affiliate marketing we will see 1% to 2% conversion rate, but the 99% people who just visit your website and are not converting, they are potential customers. So we should try to get some their email ID by newsletter or anything like providing newsletter. We can ask them to subscribe so that we can promote our affiliate products regularly through email marketing. And even if we are going to get some future affiliate products on our website, we can directly promote them through email. We don't have to wait them to search on Google and then come there. If they want that product, we can share them through email, our article and our content, and we can promote our product directly. It will increase your conversion rate in a huge way, and that too will give you a good amount of conversion in a short amount of time. in this 30 days, try to get at least 4 to 5 free or paid backlinks. In the beginning, it might be hard for you because you have to see various channels, you have to ask people, but I can say if you go and ask 50 to 60 people, you mail them, or you go on Facebook groups for guest posts or anything, you will easily get 4 to 5 free links. Or if you have a budget, you can buy from Fiverr if you want, but at least get 4 to 5 free or paid links. So now our target during this 30 days, once we have gotten approval from, once we have ranked in Google, and with this free traffic method, our target would be to get at least 0 to 1000 visitors during this 30 days, and our earning should go within $0 to $50. It should go higher also, but averagely it will be within this range, $0 to $50 or 0 to 1000 visitors within 30 days, as your website would be new. Now next is the 30 to 90 days. Within those 30 to 90 days, write additional 40 to 60 articles. So within 0 to 90 days, you will have at least 60 to 90 articles on your blogs. So write additional 40 to 60 articles under your niche. Rank at least 40 to 60 keywords or more on Google through these articles. And again, promote all these articles through Facebook group, Reddit, Quora forums and Pinterest. Now within those 30 to 90 days, you will start getting some good earnings, like within $50 to $100 or more. So I would suggest to invest 30% of your earnings in buying backlinks or buying paid traffic. You can get on Fiverr. There are many people who share on their own pages your content. If you have any content related to your niche, you can go to Fiverr and find different Facebook pages who would like to share your content on their blogs or on their Facebook pages or social media marketing for more media channels for just a small amount of price, like $5 or $10. So you can buy. So I would suggest, if you're earning $100 from your website, invest 30% of your earnings into buying such kind of sources, such kind of paid traffic, or buy some kind of a backlinks. It will improve your affiliate market. It will improve ranking of your page, and it will increase your conversion, bring more amount of traffic to your website. So it will never go free. You will never lose any money. You might start getting some good traffic and some conversions. So try to check all these things and try to invest some of the money into your website. Only it will give you 10x return in future. Now again, collect email ID regularly from your visitors. So our target traffic should be 1000 to 10,000 visitors per month, and our earning target should be $100 to $1000 per month during this period of time. Within 30 to 90 days, we should reach to a target where we are getting 1000 to 10,000 visitors and earning within $100 to $1000 per month. Now within once 90 days are over, you will have a significant amount of content on your website, like 90 contents on your website, 60 to 90 contents. So now you can reduce your time on writing articles and invest more on SEO ranking and promoting your articles. You should regularly write articles. So what our target should be, write 2 to 3 articles per week, or you can even outsource to other people. There might be many people who might be ready to write free guest posts on your blog or website to gain some backlink, or you can even hire someone on Fiverr for paid for $5 to $10 or $15 to write articles. So you should try to gain some articles or write 2 to 3 articles per week and outsource other things. So now during this period of time, you should invest more time on promoting your content on social media marketing, on social media platforms, groups, and should try advanced SEO techniques. If you have bought the Bluehost through our affiliate link, we would have shared you with some good courses that will help you go for advanced SEO techniques to rank higher on Google by using some small techniques on your websites. Again, collect email ID from your visitors to target future affiliate products and content. Now, once you start earning $1,000 per month, I would suggest invest 30% of your earning into paid advertisements such as Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads. It will increase your conversion ratio, it will increase your traffic ratio, and it will increase your conversion ratio from, if you are having 2 to 3% conversion, then it will increase to 5 to 10% conversion ratio, and you will start getting more traffic to your website in a shorter amount of period of time. So it is good to invest 30%. You will, I would say, paid advertisement works more better than free advertisements, because free advertisement takes a time. Google takes time to rank your articles, but Google always promotes higher people who pay much, so you can get on first page of the Google instantly if you pay some money to them, or you can promote through Facebook. Also, Facebook has a database of billions of people on their network, so they will promote your products to them also. So we have some paid courses on Google and Facebook ads which we will share to you if you would have joined us through buying a Bluehost and started your website. Now, during 90 to 180 days, our target should be traffic of 10,000 to 30,000 visitors. That is 1,000 visitors per day. So that should be our target. It should be more if you can, but I would say averagely you can, if you follow all these things, you will start getting 10,000 to 30,000 visitors from all over the world per month. Now, your earning target should be $1,000 to $5,000 per month, anywhere between. If it is more, it is good. It depends on the amount of the affiliate offers you are promoting and your SEO and your articles you have written, but I would say $1,000 to $5,000 is a reasonable amount that you can reach. Now as we have known, like after 90 days it becomes easy. Now this all things will be easy. It seems hard, but it's very easy, and if you have taken our courses, then it would be very easy. Now all you have to do is just try to promote. In fact, I would say once you go in $1,000 to $5,000 range, you should start buying freelancers, or you should hire freelancers, or you should appoint some people to work for you to write articles to promote. There are many SEO techniques, advanced SEO techniques that you can use to promote your website. So you should try using these things, outsource more and more to experts to invest more on your business. Now the strategy after 180 days and what you have to do is, after 180 days, you should invest more and more time on promoting content, getting your website higher, getting more and more keywords, as many keywords ranked on your website, getting more and more backlinks. You should stop writing articles by yourself and in fact hire a team or freelancers to write content. You should focus more on keyword ranking and promotion through social media platform. Increase budget on paid advertisement through Facebook retargeting and lookalike audience. Now, Facebook has a very great tool that is retargeting and lookalike audience. Now, what is this? Now, what happens? Just to give an example, if you would have land on a website through a Google search, but if you don't buy any product from them, then but afterwards, if you go to Facebook, you will start seeing the same website showing ads on your Facebook page. You will start seeing multiple ads of the website on your Facebook page. Now this is what they call as Facebook retargeting. Facebook and Google both gives you a pixel that you have to install on your website. So what happens is Facebook and Google starts collecting data about the visitors who visits your website. So Facebook collects all the data from all the visitors who are visiting through their website, what are their activity, what they watched, which pages they saw, what they were doing during that period of time. So it collects all the data and it matches with its database. So what it will do is it will show those pages which you have already visited to your audiences. So whenever your audience go to your website through Google, and if they don't buy anything, they don't go to your affiliate offers, then what Facebook will do is it will collect this data and it will start showing the same pages and pitch your website to them on their Facebook group, on their Facebook page. So it will increase your traffic and it will increase your conversion ratio on those on those traffic. So we can say that it will increase our conversion by, if you have a general conversion of 1 to 2%, then it will increase your conversion by 5 to 10%. So you can earn extra money on your traffic that has only just come to your website and just left it. But through Facebook retargeting, you can retarget them again with your products and you can earn some good amount of commission. Now the second tool that of Facebook is lookalike audience. Now what is lookalike audience? Facebook has this awesome tool of lookalike audience. What it does is, if it gets a significant amount of data from your website, that is, if 10,000 people have visited to your website, then what Facebook can do is it will search its database and it will find a lookalike audience of the same audience that have visited to your website. So if A category people visit to your website, then its algorithm will pick up all the similarities in them, like likes, dislike, what they love, what they don't like, and it will match different other people and groups of people on its database to find out same match of audiences. And so what you can do is you can create your own custom lookalike audience based on your traffic, and you can get significant amount of people whom you can promote your content directly through Facebook ads. So you can promote content on Facebook ads, using Facebook ads and using Facebook platform to these people, and you can start getting more conversion and you will get more traffic to your website. So this is a very great tool. We have in our paid course of digital marketing, where we show you these paid Facebook ads and Google ads, how to use them and how to use them effectively. It will give you 3x to 4x return on your investment on your website. So paid advertisement is very good than free advertisement. It shows results instantly and it gives you big results. So collect email ID, again, keep on doing this. Regularly collect email from your visitors, because you can target any future products, affiliate products to them. Now under this, the target of us should be more than 30,000 visitors per month, and earning should be more than $10,000 per month. Now one advice that I would like to give is, if your current niche, so for example, if we have taken keto niche as a niche, now just for an example, if we just have, we can't write more than 30 to 40 articles around keto, then, or it is not scalable based on these above recommendation that we have said, like writing 90 articles, 100 articles, keep on writing new articles. If it is not possible, then we would advise that replicate this process into 2 to 3 micro niche websites. So I can write a ketone website, I can write another different niches that I would have picked up. We have, in the beginning, we have created a list of niches we are like or we are passionate about. So you can create multiple websites on different niches and promote different other affiliate products on those websites. So if your website is not scalable, replicate it, like 20 articles in one website, 20 articles in another website. And if you have taken the Bluehost unlimited website plan, then you don't have to pay again and again for hosting your different websites. You can host 8 to 10 websites under different micro niche, and you can write different articles on them, whether 10 articles on 10 websites or whatever it is. And you can combined earning, we have to reach to $10,000. So if you make 10 websites, you can go to $8,000 to $10,000 per month and earn 100K annually. So this is how the blueprint of affiliate marketing that you have to follow from 0 to 180 and more days, to go from $0 to $1,000 to $10,000 within 1 year, so that we can earn on automation basis. You have to work once, you have to write article once and promote it, but after that all you have to do is just regularly promote it. After 90 to 180 days, you can employ people and you can outsource much of your work, which will give you automation earning. Just the starting 30 to 90 days is what you have to do the most work. So I hope you will join and start your own affiliate marketing business, and I hope to see you success with us. Thank you.